All right, this is a redo of recording number one. While recording number one was relatively fine, it turns out that in my effort to tweak the blur feature, I put a giant blur right in the middle of the screen. So I'm still getting used to these YouTube tools. So quick and easy, I'm going to show you my number one hack for Outlook to never miss an email that's important to you. For me, I'm an attorney. Mostly those are court emails signifying something's been filed. Therefore, I know I need to calendar something, be somewhere, answer something. Something important is going to happen. So that is why we need this hack. All right. So very simply, we're going to go to Microsoft Outlook. You should use the version on your PC, not the web version. So I've got two tabs on my computer. I've got the actual Outlook and then the little one with the new next to it. That's the online version. That's not what you want for what we're going to do. So basically, come on over to View, click on View. You're then going to navigate to View Settings. After you click on View Settings, you want to go to Conditional Formatting, which is right here. And we're going to click on Conditional Format, and we're going to add a new rule. So we're going to click Add, and this is going to be, we're going to call it Court Email. There's already a rule for that because I've done this a time or two before, but we're going to make a new one. We can call it Court Emails 1, so we know it's different. And what we're going to do is change the font so that it stands out from the other emails. If it has the same font, then the rule is really relatively useless. So the first thing I like to do is make it not yellow, red. I like red. Reminding me that's something important. I like to make it bold, and I do like to make it a little bigger. So I want it to stand out from every single thing else in my inbox. We're going to click OK. And then we've got to give it the condition. So this is whatever it's going to find is going to look like a bold red, slightly larger text. And we're going to have it look in the from field. And for me, I know that if it ends in .gov, I need it. For me, there is a website that is called truefiling.com. I don't want to miss any of those. I know that there's another one. thirdcc.org is an important one for me. And you can keep going. So I want to just do those few for now. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click OK. And now you can see that everything in my email box that came from info@truefiling turned red. So now I know that this is a government email or a TrueFiling email or a thirdcc.org email. And all these other things, because they remain blue, are clearly not. So that is your trick for how to never miss an email, particularly if you're an attorney from the court or anyone else. There could be some other domain that you want to make sure are bold. For example, I have a domain, mylegalgeek.com. So I could put that in, and anything that comes from that domain could likewise have a similar rule. Maybe we make those ones green. Who knows? Either way, there's your tip. There's your trick. I think if you implement it, you're going to have a far more enjoyable time with your email, if that's a thing. And it should make your life as a lawyer ever so slightly easier or less stressful, knowing that you're not missing messages that are critical to your practice.